In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize workflows in Jira, a powerful tool by Atlassian that's widely used for project management. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to optimize your current setup, understanding how to tailor workflows to fit your project's unique needs can significantly enhance your team's productivity and clarity. So, let's dive right in. When you're in the board view of your Jira project, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen. This icon is essentially a gateway to more detailed project options. Once you click on it, you'll see an option called Manage Workflow. Go ahead and select that. Now, stepping into the management area, you're faced with a visual diagram representing your current workflow. This is where the magic happens. Jira gives you the ability to customize by simply dragging and dropping the elements within this diagram. It's a very intuitive process that allows you to arrange the elements in a way that makes logical sense to your specific project needs. When you hover over these elements, you'll notice some points appearing. These points are interactive zones. By clicking on them and dragging them, you can create interactions and connect different elements. For instance, if you need a task to move from in progress directly to completed, you can create that connection, ensuring fluid transitions for your team. In addition to dragging and dropping, you'll also see options at the top of the interface for adding new rules, transitions, or statuses. These elements are crucial for defining the pathways that tasks can follow within your workflow. Take your time to explore these options, as they can significantly impact how tasks move from one stage to another. When you create these interactions, it's vital to specify their details. You have to ensure every transition or interaction is well defined, so all team members understand exactly how and when tasks move between stages. Having clear and detailed interactions minimizes confusion and keeps everyone on the same page. After you've made all your desired adjustments, remember, it's crucial to save your work. At the top right of your screen, you'll find the Update Workflow button. Clicking this ensures that all your customizations are finalized and in place for your team to benefit from. And there you have it. You've now customized a workflow in Jira, tailored to accommodate the specifics of your project. This enhanced setup not only streamlines your project management, but also empowers your team to collaborate more efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has clarified the process of customizing workflows in Jira. Happy project managing, and see you in our next video.